Institute Board of AIIMS Mangalgiri.
किसी भी चिकित्सक का मार्ग ज्ञान से प्रकाशित होता है, सेवा से प्रेरित होता है, करुणा से मार्गदर्शित होता है और मानवता के कल्याण के प्रति समर्पित होता है। देवियों और सज्जनों, अब हम इन युवा चिकित्सकों की औपचारिक शैक्षणिक शोभा यात्रा के साक्षी बनने जा रहे हैं। आइए
Please, sir, please. Take back. Please, sir, please, pass. Back, please. Yes,
I request all of you to please be seated. As a mark of warm welcome and deep appreciation, we would like to present a bouquet to our esteemed dignitaries. We are particularly privileged to have with us the Honorable Minister of State for the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Srimati Anupriya Patel ji, whose remarkable leadership has transformed healthcare sector in the country.
We are fortunate to have the Honorable Minister for Human Resource Development and Information Technology, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Nara Lokesh Garu, whose unwavering dedication to advancing healthcare continues to shape the future of our state.
We are deeply indebted to our President Major General Dr. Tapan Kumar Saha, who has been a constant guiding force for our institution.
We are indeed grateful to have an inspiring and empowering director, Dr. Ahantam Santa Singh, who is guiding us with his vision and leadership. इस पावन अवसर की शुरुआत भगवान धन्वंतरी के आशीर्वाद का स्मरण करते हुए धन्वंतरी प्रार्थना से शुरू करते हैं। मैं डॉक्टर रत्ना साहा, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ पैथोलॉजी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि वे कृपया मंच पर पधारें। मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया प्रार्थना के लिए खड़े हो जाएं।
धन्वन्तरी सवगावना अमृतत्वदाथा यो वैद्यकस्या गुरुरादिरनादिकाला यो हरिथदिहामना आत्मा सुखः वहस्या नैरोग्यतस्य निदरां जनुनं हि तस्यारणस्पद महर्षिवरस्य शिष्या ये त्रिवयं प्रमुदित ननुवज्ञावन्दः दैनपृथिवीतचरं सुचिरांशु वायुः वेदस्य दीपमिह तत्पुरादुतरमः येन प्रभं वयविहस्य विदद्यादिक्षु ज्योत्स्नां रुजतिशामनि प्रभाविमादातुं व्यादिव्या कथा हृदयाय मनभाय द्वयं द्वितं भुवि कलपि च नाखिलैषः द्वयं द्वितं भुवि कलापि च नाखिलैषः द्वयं द्वितं भुवि कलापि च नाखिलैषः। Thank you.
Please be seated. To commence the proceedings, I now request respected Executive Director of AIIMS Mangalagiri to seek permission from the President AIIMS Mangalagiri to open the convocation.
Sir, I seek the permission to declare the convocation is open.
Permitted, sir.
I declare the convocation is open.
I now request our Director, Dr. Ahantam Santa Singh, to present a report of AIIMS Mangalagiri.
Chief guest of today's convocation, Honorable Union Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare, Chemical and Fertilizer, Government of India, Srimati Anupriya Patel ji. Guest of Honor, Honorable Minister of ISRD, IT, Electronics and Communication, and RTG, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Narar Lokesh ji. President of the AIIMS Mangalagiri, Major General Dr. Tapan Kumar Saha, esteemed IBGB member, distinguished guests from various universities and medical colleges across the country, and officials from the Ministry of the Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, officials from the Government of Andhra Pradesh, my faculty colleague, proud parents, our brilliant students, and my dear students, ladies and gentlemen, I once again welcome you all to this second convocation ceremony of AIIMS Mangalagiri. I would like to congratulate each one of the graduating students on successful completion of their UG and PG courses. I am honored to present the progress report of our institute on this very special day. Foundation stone of the AMS Mangangiri was led by the Union Minister of the Health and Family Welfare, Sri J.P. Nadaji, along with our Honorable Chief Minister of the State, Sri Chandrababu Naidu Garu, on 19 December 2015, with the outlay of over rupees 1,600 crores. Project is completed now. The completed project include academic complex with medical college, nursing college, library block, hospital complex with OPD block, IPD block, modular OTs, ICU, residence and campus with hostel block, staff quarter, and guest house. Project was dedicated to the nation by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji on 25th February 2024. It is a matter of pride that institute, which was started way back in 2018 under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, has grown many folds, and at present 38 broad and super specialty departments are functioning. AMS Mangangiri shall remain committed to the Trinity mission, focusing on the three key pillars: medical education, research, and patient care. On academic and research front, MBBS course was started in August 2018 with 50 students. Now is increased to the 125 intake per year. 2 batches of students had successfully completed the course, and second batch shall be receiving their degree today. At present, over 750 MBBS students hailing from across the country are being trained here. Postgraduate MD/MS courses were started in July 2022. First batch of the postgraduates shall also receiving their degree today. We had started the DM and MCS courses in the year 2024. We have DM courses in neurology, nephrology, cardiology, endocrinology, pulmonary medicine, critical care, and pain medicine. MCS courses in surgical oncology, pediatric surgery, neurosurgery, and burn and plastic surgery. We have BSc nursing courses, which was started in August 2022 with the intake of the 50 students per year. Now is increased to 100 students per year. MEC nursing courses started in 2024 in 5 disciplines. BSc Allied Health Services were also started in 2024. Last year, we introduced BSc Medical Lab Technician in Blood Bank and BSc Technician in Emergency Medicine. With a strong emphasis on academic excellence, Institute consistently stays at the forefront of the medical education. We are very happy to inform that our institute has secured the first rank in Andhra Pradesh and stood 8th position in the South Zone. Our students and faculty are participating in various national and international conferences, are consistently securing the award in paper presentation, poster, and quiz category. We have also started a student exchange program for the MBBS student under the guidance of the Ministry of the Health and Family Welfare. AMS Mangangiri has research collaboration with various national and international universities like IIT Madras, IISc Bangalore. Various extramural research projects are being carried out at the institute with the support of the funding agency like ICMR, DHR, DPT, DST, FOXI, UNICEF, AMS New Delhi. Over the 500 research articles are published by our faculty in various national and international journals. Coming back to our patient care service front, AMS Mangangiri remains committed in providing exemplary medical care services at affordable cost to all the patients. outpatient department is functioning since March 2019, and at present, average OPD footfall is around 3,500 to 4,000 patients per day. Till date, we have crossed over 31 lakhs of outpatient. Over 70,000 inpatient, 61,000 emergency patients have got treatment in our hospital till date. Over 57 lakhs lab diagnostic investigations are performed. Surgical department carry out over 24,000 operations, including the robotic knee replacement, open heart surgery, pediatric cataract surgery. AMS Mangangiri is also providing the comprehensive cancer care services with the advanced facilities like high energy clinic, low energy clinic, CT simulator, HD brachytherapy, PET scan, SPECT CT services. Palliative care services are also available in our institute. Very recently, hyperthermic intraperitoneal chemotherapy facility was also added to the scope of our cancer care services. This is useful for treating the advanced abdominal cancer. We also have a dedicated interventional radiology service. The transformative chapter in the evolution of the AMS Mangangiri is the organ transplant program. Within the few months of its launch, Institute has emerged a vital center of hope for patients suffering from the end-stage renal disease. Major milestones was achieved on August 2024 when AMS Mangangiri successfully conducted first kidney transplant. And February 2025, when the first disease donor kidney transplant was also performed. State-of-the-art biplane cath lab system, TMT, intensive cardiac care unit, were inaugurated last year. It enhanced the cardiac care complex endovascular procedure for the people of Andhra Pradesh and the neighboring state. Within the short